Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can do text to speech on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open our TikTok. Once you open our TikTok, click on the plus icon and record a video. So let me record a video. So this is a sample video. Then you need to click on the tick. Okay, and click on the text. So I'm going to write a text. How to solutions for an example, and then you need to click on the text, and here you can see the first option, text to speech. Click on that option and let me show you.
How to solutions.
So this is our process by which you can do text to speech on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.